Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. Okay, I want to cover recent arrival from PopRace, the GR Yaris, Pandem, and also the TopSecret GT300 Supra. Okay, so we're going to cover the Supra first. This is PopRace number 325, TopSecret GT300 Supra. I really like this packaging right now. This design is really very cool. Okay, I like that. This gold matte color, right? It's a top secret color. This model in particular, it's silver chrome. Okay, so I'm really not a fan of this particular paint. Okay, but I definitely want to run through it together with you guys. Licensed by Toyota and also by TopSecret. Okay, so I'm going to open this one up. In the meantime, help me to hit the like button because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell as well so you don't miss on any of my other scale model videos, because I did notice that more than 60% of you guys watching are not subscribed. So do hit the subscribe button because that will help me grow the channel, and I do look forward to bringing more awesome content for you guys. Okay, there we go. And yeah, as I'm opening this one up, right, two ongoing events back to back in China, the Cool Car Show, and next is the GT Car Show, the GT Show, I think it's called. Both will have exclusive diecast models. What you guys think? Okay, yeah, that early in the year, and we're gonna go back to back events already. Okay, so out of the box, silver chrome. What do you guys think? I'm really not a fan of this silver chrome. Okay, quite a few variants already from PopRace. Honestly speaking, I can't recall how many, but out of the box, what I really like is that details on the dash here. That is probably some meters reading. Okay, for this crazy time attack top speed run car. Okay, so this body kit is actually real. There is this body kit, okay, that is from TopSecret. It's built to be an absolute monster, featuring this massive wide, very wide body kit, right? Designed to push the limits of top speed runs. Okay, so this is the famous body kit, not the color, the famous body kit that kind of got Smokey Nagata into jail in the UK. Right? Pretty cool. Of course, the best part about this PopRace would be the openable hood. Okay, the carbon fiber weave on the hood, very cool. See-through vents. You can see peek a little bit of the engine underneath. Okay, that is the TopSecret plates in front. Headlamps are done properly, very nice. Fog lamps underneath as well, done properly. Okay, very nice set of rims. There we go. Decal on the side, TopSecret GT300, power of Grady. Is it mirrored on the other side? Done tastefully. Very tastefully done, rather than just smacking on the mirrored decal, right? TopSecret logo on top. What else is at the back here? TopSecret GT300 sticker. Carbon fiber wing. Only on top, not underneath. Okay, the Toyota logo. Taillights. Looks like it's printed, at least with the acrylic cover on top of it. Okay, very huge tailpipes there. Okay, overall a very nice casting. Okay, let's get that. Let's pop up the hood. Got the hood off. Let's check out the engine. Okay, very nice engine bay. Quite a lot of details going on in there as well. Very nice. Very nicely done. Okay, so overall a very nice casting from PopRace. Not a new casting. Quite a few variants really of this TopSecret Supra. Okay, even for the Yaris, actually, it's quite a few variants already. This is actually one of the earlier castings. Even the box, right, it does exist in the older 2D artist impression artwork box packaging type. Okay, so this is in a blister form. This is actually part of the Enigma exclusive model. Okay, this is model number 12. Pandem GR Yaris. Okay, AutoFinesse. All right. So this car actually belongs to AutoFinesse. It's quite a famous car detailing shop in the UK. Right. So this one is in the pack blister packaging. A couple of you guys has asked me in the comments, how do I open up my blister and still, keeping it being able to stand very nicely like that. So in this episode, I'm gonna cut it open for you guys. Okay. So what I do is sharp scissors, the bigger ones usually is okay. A kitchen scissors would work great as well because these blisters are actually quite thick. So usually I pick the longer side. All right. What I'll do is I'm gonna do an L shape. All right. So I can actually pry open from this side like that. Okay. So what I will do is I will just show you guys how I do it. Those that have seen how I open mine, right, you guys can just fast forward. Okay. Otherwise, help me to hit the like button. Okay. Because really, that will really help me out. Extras of these two models are still available through Qube. You can actually check them out and they do ship international. Okay. So let's see if I can. Yeah, I think it's good enough to pull the Yaris out already. Yeah, see? Yeah, that's how I get mine out. And that. There. Got it out. Okay, so I've not covered the AutoFinesse story yet actually. So this is actually based on a real car that belongs to AutoFinesse. Okay. This is a little bit of a crazy story. Okay. So AutoFinesse actually is not a traditional tuning shop. It started in 1999 by James Batty out of a single van as a mobile car valeting service. Today, they are actually a massive detailing brand run by hardcore enthusiasts who fund and build legendary project cars. Now, this being one of them. They took a brand new GR Yaris to build the widest one in the world. Okay, they imported the original Pandem body kit, and James actually custom modified it to make it smoother, lower, and even wider than the standard kit. Pretty crazy, right? Okay, and instead of fragile show wheels, it actually, when it was built in 2022, okay, it actually sits on Rotiform's 18-inch rims, wrapped in Nankang tires. I want to show you the original rim that it came with. Okay, so this is the rims that it came with. All right, and when I went through some of the photos, right, newer photos suggest that it's sitting on another Rotiform rims in white. So I'm not entirely sure if the car actually sat on this set of rims with the Yokohama tires. So this could be a deal between PopRace and Yokohama van. Okay, but correct me if I'm wrong. All right. So this is not not a trailer queen, but it has a full blown roll cage. I'm talking about a real car. It has a full blown roll cage, and it does. They actually trash this around the circuits as well. Okay, I think it did participate in Goodwood too. Okay, that's the number plates at the back. However, I did notice there has been a couple of I saw at least one update, which is underneath here, right in the middle. That is the decal for Miltech exhaust. So underneath on the real car, yes, they are using Miltech exhaust. Okay, but it's not shown here. Let's see, can close up a little bit more. Yep. So they've captured the Toyota Gazoo Racing logo right next to the right next to the taillights. That is actually on the real car as well. This is the real plates. This two pillar is on the real car too. Very, very cool. The Rotiform branding, Nankang branding. Identity is actually the company that helped Blackfish and Identity are the two companies that actually help to design and also install the wrap on this car. Okay, it's a wrap. Rotiform logo on the fender, AutoFinesse signature there. Silver color roll cage that I talked to you guys about. GR logo down there. A couple of sponsors logo underneath too. So not sure what was Regal involved. How is Regal involved here? Not sure. The Rocket Bunny logo down there. Very nice. There's another logo down here. XS Mag, I think. Not sure what logo is that. On this front, canard. It's so big. Do I call it canard or I can call it a winglet already, right? So big. The AF logo here, the GR logo there. Okay, on the lip, it says flavors. On the real car, remember it says Blackfish over here, right underneath the grill. Okay, so on the 64 scale, it's not there. The Toyota logo here, and on the real car, there's actually another intake here, right about here. Okay, on the real car, so it's not on the 64 scale. Headlights are identical, yellow tint. Okay, the AutoFinesse windscreen, front windscreen sticker that also is on the real car. Okay, number 99 on the side. Okay, so the side mirror, if I'm not mistaken, it's not wrapped in red, the whole thing like that. Okay, it's only on the top cover. I'll call it top cover, right? Okay, at the back, the wing is identical as well. Very nicely done by PopRace. Very, very cool. Okay, so do you guys collect the Yaris? Whichever ones that actually pass by, if I can get my hands on, I will be keeping one or two. Okay, because I think PopRace Yaris casting is actually quite nice. Quite a few brands has done it already. Even Tarmac has done it. But I think PopRace is the one I don't mind collecting because the price and also it goes very well. Okay, cool. So there are a couple of extras of these available through Qube. As usual, you can go and check them out. What else? I just need my final touch, right? Final touch. These figures are actually from Monster Miniature. Okay, they're available through Qube. So if you're looking for figures, go check them out. Cool. So remember to hit the like button if you haven't done so. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that don't miss on any other scale model videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.